So welcome students. In this question you're given that f of x is equal to sine p plus 1 times x plus sine x by x if x is less than 0. Q if x is equal to 0. Root of x plus x square minus root x by x power 3 by 2 if x is greater than 0. Now if that is so, you're asked to find if this function is continuous for all x, you're asked to find p and q. So obviously how do you analyze this question? So you can see that these functions that are given are always continuous, but this is a piecewise defined function. So at x less than 0 you have a function, at x is equal to 0 and x greater than 0 you have different functions. So if the right limit and left limit and the functional value at x is equal to 0 are same, then this function will be continuous for all x, because there is no problem for this function for numbers which are not equal to 0, because this is a nice function, this is also a nice function. So now let us analyze this function at x is equal to 0. So now let us take the limit when x less than 0. Or let us take the limit first when x is greater than 0. So limit x is tending to 0 plus f of x is root of x plus x square minus root of x plus x square minus root x by x power 3 by 2. That is equal to limit x tends to 0. I'll take a root x common. So root x times root of 1 plus x, right, minus 1 by root x times x. X power 3 by 2 is root x times x. Root x gets cancelled. Now, as x tends to 0, you're asked to find this limit. Obviously, this is a very standard limit based on the concept of rationalization, right? So if I multiply this with root of 1 plus x plus 1 and root of 1 plus x plus 1. So what happens to the numerator? 1 plus x minus 1 is x. That is limit x tends to 0. So this becomes x plus 1 minus 1. 1 and 1 gets cancelled. X by x gets cancelled. 1 by root of 1 plus x plus 1. Now that the indeterminacy has been cancelled, I can do the direct substitution. So you get 1 by 2. So the right limit is 1 by 2. Hence, the functional value should also be equal to 1 by 2. So q has to be equal to 1 by 2. So I can eliminate these two options. So q has to be equal to 1 by 2. Now, the left limit also should be equal to 1 by 2. So limit x tends to 0 minus sine of p plus 1 times x plus sine x by x can be separated to this, and this should also be equal to 1 by 2, right? So this is a very straightforward limit. Sine x by x is equal to 1. Sine p plus 1 into x by x plus 1. X is tending to 0. So I'll multiply it with p plus 1 and divide it with p plus 1. So sine p plus 1 into x plus p plus 1 into x, this is also equal to 1. So this implies p plus 1 plus 1. This p plus 2 is equal to half. This implies p is equal to minus 3 by 2. So p is equal to minus 3 by 2 and q is equal to half is the right answer. Thank you.